Hey everyone, welcome back to our Prompt Engineering Learning Show, your favorite spot for AI tips.
Yes.
The main secret is to stop writing vague prompts.
Yeah.
You need to be clear and specific about your goals.
Yeah.
Right.
For instance, telling the AI to act as a friendly school teacher instead of a generic assistant makes its explanations much more digestible and fun.
Right.
Exactly.
Another amazing tip is using delimiters like triple quotes to separate your instructions from your data. This stops the AI.
Also, remember to provide concrete few-shot examples of the output style you expect. It helps the model capture your exact style beautifully.
Definitely. And do not forget that prompt engineering is always an iterative process.
Mm-hmm.
You must test, review, and continuously refine your prompts.
What is your favorite trick for writing prompts? Comment your answer below right now. Thanks for listening, and see you next time.
Bye-bye, everyone.